car, front porch, the grill man here. Neighbors, forest. Let's go inside now. Wipe your feet for entering. Nice floor. That's my cook, like in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I have a personal cook. Say hello. Making my favorite BLTs. Dining room table. Going to the living room. Nice rug. Hardwood floors. Nice paint job. Okay, we just landed there. TV. Side door. Next door neighbors. We go to the backyard through here. There was a caterpillar here before. Let's see if we see it. Ah, she's gone. Oh, there she goes. I'll show you right now. Towards the backyard. The shed. The jacuzzi room. It's being filled in right now. Filled up. Nice area. Let's play some baseball here. At least play catch. Let's go back in. The woods. We can actually commit a murder and dispose of the body out there. I think this one. No, tour's not over. Bedrooms. Show me bedroom number 1.
Basement?
Basement first? Okay.
Wait, you doing it again?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I ran out of space. And I had to use your phone.
No,
it
but
never saved.
wasn't you just...
It never saved on my phone.
No, you just used mine though. And you just went to the house, didn't you? You just passed me up.
Yeah, it's still the same video. Why are you using up my minutes?
Go. You can see.
Okay. Beautiful paint job. You probably can't appreciate because it's a video, but you trying to scare me, Tito? Huh? I would put some like frames here, or you know, memorabilia, Yankee frames up on the wall, something like that. Look. It's really, really nice. You can't appreciate it. Damn. Has Ralph Lauren paint on the wall. You can see it's textured. Nice ceramic tiles on both wall and floor. Should I turn on the light? There's one small bedroom here. Nice full bar. Okay, well, has enough liquor. Look at the lamps. Awesome. Pool table. Haha, DJ. TV. pool table, stools. Look at the paint job. Oh yeah.
Stand up shower. Show them the bar already?
Yep.
Show them the DJ.
Oh yeah, the DJ.
And that's it. That concludes it. Shut the light.
It's not even creepy. That bacon smells good.
There goes the horror phone.
My horror phone. I don't know, something happened here to that wall.
Okay.
Bedroom number 1. Ta-da! It's a futon. Laptop. Nothing on the walls. Bedroom number 2. 2 beds. Closet. TV. Bedroom number 3. Large bed. Well. TV. Walk-in closet. Another bathroom. Nice sink. And I believe we're missing the bathroom. Oh, guys, look at this washer and dryer. Hang up the towels. Chef Pepin!
Okay, you can stop recording now. I don't believe this.